Number 5. Penn Plax Bird Life Activity Center. Perfect for younger or smaller birds. Relieves stress and boredom, this bird life activity centers provide for the perfect outlet for your pet's curiosity, exercise, and socialization. They love spending some time outside of the cage, playing with an assortment of toys and activities. Included features: this large activity centers contain all of the following: 6-step ladder, 100% cotton rope with acrylic toy, cosmic links climbing toy, play swing, and copper bell. Number 4. Bonka Bird Toys. 1969 Spoon Delight African Grey Parrot Macaw. This sturdy link chain has 5 sturdy metal rings hanging from its links. These metal rings have the awesome beak and feet pleasing items on the bird toy. On each ring there are 2 gorgeous acrylic pacifiers that hang on either side of a stainless steel measuring spoon. The pacifiers do all ship in assorted bird-pleasing bright colors and are translucent. Number 3. Petuol Small Bird Swing Toys. Package include: this bird cage toy consists of 6 pieces, 2 different types of bird swinging, bird squid hanging swing toys, 2 chew toys, 2 hanging toys, to meet your various needs for bird parrots. Musical instrument toy. Perfect design, almost meets the natural needs of all birds, allowing most birds to exercise and strengthen their muscles. Suitable for anchovies, parakeets, parrots, conure, myna, macaw, medium and small birds. Number 2. Mewtogo Bird Block Toys. With bells for medium parrots and birds like Amazon, African Grey and cockatoos. Extra large with size 18 inches. This bird chewing toy is suggested for macaw, Amazon, and African Grey cockatoos. This parrot block toys type is stylish and attractive, which will catch birds' eyes immediately. The hardware part is made of high-quality chain that is strong enough to last long time chewing span. Number 1. Bird Perch Rope Bungee Bird Toy. Perfect size for Senegal parrot, sun conger, small cockatoos, green cheek conger, and mini macaws. Create a twisting, spinning action. Provide a soft footing with the 100% cotton rope. Bungees promote and help to develop birds' coordination and balance skills. Allow you to reshape the length and diameter of the coils with the bendable internal wire.